I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by picking a public host with HTTPS so feed validators accept it. Create feed. XML in your site root and declare XML version equals 1, 0 encoding equals UTF-8, then open the RSS version equals 2, 0 element. Add a single channel and required fields, title, link, description, include pub date and language for clients. Once done, save and upload feed. XML to the host. Make sure to set correct MIME type. Text/XML or application/RSS plus XML so readers recognize. Now you add content entries. For each post, create an item containing title, link, GUID, and pub date. You should include either description for summaries or content, encoded for full HTML, include author and category tags to improve discovery. Use RFC 822 or ISO 8600 one-date format so readers parse dates correctly. Once items are added, ensure each GUID is unique and set as permalink appropriately. Make sure to update pub date and GUID when editing items so subscribers see changes. Finally, validate the feed and publish it. You run an RSS validator to catch XML errors, encoding issues, or missing required tags, correct any problems, and re-upload. Add link rel equals, alternate type equals application/RSS plus XML href equals /feed. XML to your site head so readers discover the feed. Once live, test in multiple readers. If subscribers don't see updates, check server caching, MIME type, namespace declarations, and that all tags are properly closed. These are the most common failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.